Hello, this is YouTube. This is Tunels, and today we're gonna be taking apart a really shitty Sylvania TV with its screwdriver. So I know you guys are gonna comment on every stupid thing in the house. So let me just card the camera up. Here we are approaching my very messy bedroom. Very, very messy. This thing is very, very, very messy, messy. Here is the, get this speaker shit out of here, and here is the piece of crap Sylvania TV. It's rather a big piece of dump than it is worth trying to even fix it. And unfortunately, I gotta go get a bigger screwdriver. I have one in this one won't work because I lost the part for it. But I had a whole bunch of screwdrivers. We're gonna salvage the speaker out of this little piece of shit, so here we go. Actually, first let's. I don't have this plugged in whatsoever, but this thing is one big piece of shit. That's what it is. It is one big piece of crap. Yep. Look at that. Little hole in there. Yeah, this is a really shitty old TV. It's got various nicks and dicks on it, and it's very shitty and very useless. But it's very useless as I can see, and the only speaker is, well, a rather shitty type of speaker. I can see the little voice cord or something there. I can see the little speaker, but it's rather shitty. I won't even bother fixing it for worth a damn. I wouldn't even rather fixing it for a goddamn worth of shit, because it's a piece of crap anyway, isn't it? The VHS player doesn't even fucking work on it. It's a fucking piece of crap. I mean, it is such a piece of fucking dumptacular dump. It is, like, worthless. It's, like, the worthless TV in the whole fucking world. Oh, 2 screws, seriously? And if you're probably wondering what is in the background behind this TV, well, another TV. Little epic upside down speaker. Yeah. Theater in a box, from a theater in a box bullshit piece of crap, so, yeah. That's that. What I do, my screwdriver, here it is. This thing is, I don't even want to mention it, shitty. It's like the only screw to, like, remove just to get to the goddamn speaker. I think a Sylvania makes very... Oh, it's not Sylvania, holy shit. Look at that thing. Is that the CTR monitor? That's the LED part of it. Holy shit, look at that inside. Damn. That is one unique little piece of crap. Where the hell's the speaker on this little piece of crap? Oh, it's right there. You should see this. You should see the insides of this thing. They're amazing. The insides of this thing. You can hear everything falling apart inside. Actually, there's 2 screws under here that I never noticed before. But this is one of those big old CTR monitors. I'm just gonna crack it open here a little bit. Yes, that's exactly what is inside of this thing. I am gonna have this disengaged, or I'm gonna have this what do you call it? Discharged. I'm gonna have this thing discharged. I'm just gonna take the speaker out of it, since it's such a shitty model. Don't even bother buying this piece of crap. All it is just a big piece of worthless dump. don't even bother buying theater in a box bullshit. It's just shitty. And this is hazardous materials that I'm working with. Okay, where is that little speaker? There it is. Holy shit, look at this thing. That's the tube. Holy shit, dude, look at this. Oh, we got a TV over here. Yeah, that's the tube. Damn. What is that all made out of? Is that made all of lead? Here's the shitty little plastic piece of crap ass speaker. Just needs 2 screws to get it out of there. I'm not even bother getting the piece of crap lead thing out of there. I'm not gonna even bother getting that piece of shit out. That thing's worthless. I gotta put this all back in this case before my parents find out. If they find out, I'm gonna be so busted. Where's the other screw for the speaker? It's all the way behind this very, very shitty, circuit board thingy. You just tell it's cheap. You just tell that this thing's cheap. I have to hold that right. I have to actually hold that right there in order for me to get to the speaker. Yeah, that's not feeling. It's the screwdriver that's giving me problems, not me. What's the point? They recycle these things anyway, since they're so shitty. Yeah, let's line the screwdriver up with the damn screw. All I need to do is just unplug that, and then what the fuck am I gonna do with this? This thing's a big piece of crap anyway. Doesn't even work for a fucking shit. Yes. Oh, shit. Looks like I broke the speaker. I gotta put all the shitty components back in place before I end up busting the tube and before I end up going to the hospital. It's like, it's gotta, like, all these components have to, like, rub up against this goddamn thing. It's insane. And I gotta put all this shit back into this shitty little case without any problems. Okay, realign this. Very, very shitty. Very shitty TV. Very, 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 very shitty. Yeah. Where's the speaker? The speaker's over there. Yeah. I can even get this back in place. The circuit board's not going in place for some reason. Doesn't make everything very shittily these days. Where's the circuit board going in there? Oh, that's why it needs to be moved up and then put into place. Very shittily made. Don't even bother buying this bull fucking shit. Well, so all this really is just one big piece of shit TV. Whenever it's just a big piece of living dump anyway. Big piece of fucking crap. Or at least this storage, whatever the fuck you call it, thingy. I have to realign. This is gonna have to go in here like this now. Yes, exactly. I can just tell this thing was shittily made. And when we first got it, it was very shitty. I can actually get this in there without damaging the tube. I can get this really shitty VCR deck thingy. Theater in a box bullshit. There we go. There we go. Now I can simply just insert it there. What the hell was that? Extremely shitty. Told you, it's a very shittily made TV. Never buy these. These are the cruddiest little... These are the cruddiest TVs ever. Never buy them. They're very cheap. Very cheap. Very, 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 very cheap. These are very inexpensive piece of crap TV. Very, very, very inexpensive. Very, very shitty. And there's all the screws. And some components that fell out. Some of the screws to secure the top part. So all I needed was screws that... with a screwdriver. Oh, where the fuck does it go? And these are some of the little shitty components that came out of the damn TV. Oops. Finally, this screwdriver is actually magnetic, which is wonderful. Okay. Well, the deal is done there, so, now let's take a look at this. Sorry for my big fat belly. Let's take a look at this really shitty speaker. Take the cover off very carefully. There we go. It is a very, very shitty, really, really, really shitty. This is a... Oh, what the fuck model this is? This is crap off there. Fortunately, I did tear into the... this is the very, very shitty, little tiny, very fucking tiny... An 8 ohms Funai 8 ohm 2 watt piece of crap speaker. It is a very tiny, it's a little tiny speaker. It's 8 ohms 2 watts. I'm not gonna blow it or anything. I'm not gonna do that to it. I'm not gonna even bother messing around with it too much. One thing is because these speakers are very shitty, and look at this. Very, very hard. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. I've already weakened it. But it was one time hard cardboard. Now it's really weak. But we're gonna plug that into my iPod, and well, there you go. That is it.